if you look at this corn right here compared to some of the stuff I filmed earlier, you can look at the height of this corn. It barely comes up to the tops of the tires on it. This is just a comparison to show what no irrigation does. This is dry land. This was a 15-acre field. Actually, if I'm not mistaken, this is the field I actually filmed them planting earlier in the year with their John Deere 8310. On this end of the field that he's picking on right now, it's very short, but it picks up in height as he harvests across this field. As he gets about where he is now, it starts picking up into as a swampy area. It never did get too drought stressed around that creek. I think they said that so far this field's averaging about 75-80 bushels an acre, which is better than a lot of the dryland corn did around this area. I've seen quite a bit that was only in the 50s. Yeah, 5 weeks with no rain and no irrigation don't work too well in southwest Georgia. Plus, it didn't help that the temperatures during that 5 weeks had 1 week temps up to around 103. That's not heat index, that was the actual temp. Well, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos on YouTube.